everybody, it's your girl INYACO, and in today's video I want to show you guys how I did my faux locks. These beautiful natural looking faux locks that I'm rocking right here. I love protective styles and I love switching up my look, so I wanted to bring you guys this video to show you guys how I did my hair. And the hair that I used is Freetress Bo Loc hair in the 18-inch. And I did get this hair online on Amazon because I couldn't find it in my local beauty supply store. Well, actually I did find it, but it was the 14-inch hair and I wanted the 18-inch hair because I wanted to have my locks to be long, because I love long protective styles, long braids, things like that. So that's why I decided to go with the 18-inch. And online this came with 4 packs of hair and I used 3, so that's why I got this extra pack left over here. And this is what the hair looks like. It is this marley looking hair that's kind of twisted, and it also has the loop here in the middle because it is a crochet hair. And I also used my crochet tool. This is about 99 cents or $1. I got this at my beauty supply store a long time ago. But you don't have to use a crochet tool. You can use your fingers to open up the loop here. But it does make life a little bit easier if you have a crochet tool. You know, everybody wants life to be a little easier and a little faster if you're doing the style. So I would recommend using the crochet tool, but you don't have to. If you don't have one, you don't have to go out and search for one and buy it. And also, it took me about 5 hours to complete this style because the method that I used, I actually braided my hair, and the locked hair is wrapped around my braid, so my hair stops probably about right there. So it took me a while to break my hair down and then wrap it around. But if you have shorter hair, like your hair stops right here maybe, you will only have to braid to this point and then wrap your hair around and just, you know, do your thing with the rest of it. So it may take you about 3 hours or so. So yeah, I am really excited to show you guys how I did this look. And also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest videos. And let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting on freshly washed hair. It's washed, detangled, moisturized, all that good stuff. And I got it in 4 sections here. As you can see, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. And I'm gonna work it in that type of way because I feel like I can get the process done a little easier if everything is kind of sectioned off. So I'm gonna start with my back section first, and then I'm actually gonna come back to you guys and show you how I do the front, because it's a little harder to show you the back of the hair while I'm trying to work on the hair. So you get what I mean. So I'm not gonna use a comb for parting because I want my sections to look really natural, because usually when you see locks, they're not perfectly parted sections. So I kind of want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm just going to use my fingers or my fingernails to part little sections of my hair, make it slightly uneven so it can look more natural. So I'm going to go ahead and do the back, and then I'm going to come back to you guys and show you how to do the front. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I already finished most of my hair, as you can see here. And I got 2 little sections left right here to show you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with this little section here. So what you want to do is take the hair, see it has a little loop here, and your crochet tool, just stick it through the loop like that. You know, of course your latch is going to be open. You stick it through, and you're going to split this into 3. Split this section into 3 just like you're about to do a braid. and I like to attach my hair to the middle section. So get a little closer here. Just latch that on, close the latch, and just slide it on there. And just slide it back like that. And so you just get your 3 pieces here and just start to braid. Just like a regular braid. It doesn't have to be really neat. I make it a little bit tight, so this style can last a little longer. So I'm just braiding, braiding, braiding. And as you guys can see, it already looks really, really natural, the ones that I have done. And you can hardly see my parting. Kind of like if you have locks, you've had them for a long time, and maybe you want to get them done again, but you have had them for a while, so you have like that new growth. I think that's what this is looking like right now, and that's kind of what I like. That's what I was going for. So you don't really have to braid all the way down because I have really long hair, and if you want, you can just braid up until this point and then twist it the rest of the way down, but I'm just gonna leave this like this. And you're gonna find your lock like this. Okay, so you have your braid here and you have your lock here. So what you're gonna do is just spread it open a little bit, because you're gonna start to twist this around the braid. The braid is gonna be inside this lock. So just spread it open like that, and then you're just gonna start to, sometimes I like to spread it out too, kind of like that, because you're trying to cover up this braid. And I kind of like intertwine it between my fingers so I can have it stable. Just gonna bring that around. I'm really careful about the first part because I just wanted to cover it up real good in the beginning. So usually we'll wrap that twice, and then I would spread open or twist open, because you're twisting it open and then spreading and then wrapping around. Twist open, spread, wrap around. And sometimes you can wrap it twice if you have it twisted open enough. So twist open. Sometimes I'll twist open twice. Spread it. You always want to spread it. And twist it around your hair. And as you can see, I still have it stable in between my fingers there. And if you have short hair, this will go by a lot faster, but as you can see, I have a long way to go. So I gotta get this hair in there. Like if you have like really short hair, you'll get this done in half the time. But all right, here we go. Spreading, twisting around. Just pull it down a little bit like that, and you're all done.